December 14, 2015, an unexpected email popped into Ilya Sutskever inbox and its simplicity caught his attention. It was a cold message that said, "We're gathering for dinner tonight. Would you like to join?" He was intrigued by the mail and accepted the invitation. He was too curious about what might be ahead, and that evening, he found himself in the heart of Silicon Valley, surrounded by the biggest personalities around him such as Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman. As the conversation flowed over dinner, Ilya listened intently as they discussed the bold vision of founding an open-source AI company to compete against the giants of the field such as Google and DeepMind. Especially the founders discussed the company's mission to advance artificial intelligence in a way that benefits all of humanity, rather than being constrained by the need to generate financial returns, and the non-profit structure was a core part of the founding vision. Now this meeting wasn't just about starting a new company and Elon Musk recruiting Ilya Sutskever. The top brain from Google completely ended his friendship with Larry Page. This move was seen as a direct challenge to Google's talent pool and its dominance in the industry. But why would Elon Musk want to end his friendship with Larry Page and recruit Ilya, even after being friends with Larry for a decade? Just to clarify, this wasn't the first time Ilya had attracted attention from major players in the industry, and this goes back to his PhD mentor, the godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, and with help from him and Alex Krzyzewski, Ilya had made significant advancements in convolutional neural network algorithm. This algorithm was widely used for tasks like image recognition and object detection in devices like CCTV or self-driving cars. It dramatically outperformed all existing algorithms and was trained on a dataset of 1 million images, creating a breakthrough in the field of neural network. Following this, Sutskever, along with the same trio, founded DNN Research Incorporated, which was named after the deep neural networks used by their system. Within a few months, the same company was acquired by Google, and Google appointed him as a research scientist at Google Brain, a position he held until December 2015. During his time at Google Brain, Sutskever played a crucial role in developing the AlexNet neural network and multiple other developments, such as the development of sequence-to-sequence learning, which has greatly improved automatic translation systems, development of generative adversarial networks, which generates new synthetic data that resembles existing data and is widely used in image generation, and also the development of TensorFlow and unsupervised learning. I learned computer programming at a relatively young age, and of all things that a computer could do, artificial intelligence seemed like the most exciting thing by far. I was surprised when I found out that computers can learn to some extent, because in my mind, learning was not something computers could do at the time. Ilya Sutskever was born on December 8, 1986 in Russia, and at the age of 5, his family migrated to Israel, where they resided for the next 10 years. After that, he and his family again relocated to Canada, where he enrolled at the University of Toronto, and in 2005, he earned his Bachelor of Science degree in mathematics and continued his studies, obtaining Master of Science degree in computer science in 2007. Later in 2013, Sutskever completed his PhD research, which was titled Training Recurrent Neural Networks, and during the time of his research, he developed a neural network that could generate text mimicking the style and grammar of Wikipedia articles, demonstrating the network's ability to learn patterns in language.
Okay, I'll start. Thank you very much for coming to my talk. My name is Ilya Sutskever. I'm from the University of Toronto, and I will tell you about some work I've done on understanding budget perception slightly better. So, I'll start with the last slide.
This was the old video of Ilya from 2009, and Ilya was giving a lecture highlighting the problems of the kernel perceptron, an algorithm used for pattern recognition. This seems Ilya had always been enthusiastic about the intelligence of machines, and his development of AlexNet was considered by many as the starting bell for the modern age of AI. While leaving Google Brain, Ilya expressed mixed emotions, and he found it tough to depart from the Google Brain team, where he felt content and fulfilled. Recognizing the team's strong trajectory, he believed that staying at Google offered little risk and significant potential gain.
And I want to finish by mentioning my OpenAI, which is the organization I'm going to be involved with next. And it is a well-funded non-profit with a strong mission. And our goal is to do the best research in AI that we can. And we want to be an additive force to the community.
Despite OpenAI's initial vision of creating safe, friendly, and beneficial AI technologies for society, Ilya Sutskever faced uncertainty about what specifically to create. He held the position of OpenAI research scientist between January 2016 and November 2018, and then transitioned to the role of chief scientist. In June 2018, OpenAI published a seminal paper titled Improving Language Understanding by Generative Pre-Training, which laid the groundwork for the development of ChatGPT. This marked the beginning of OpenAI, and Ilya Sutskever's journey toward creating advanced language models that have since transformed the field of natural language processing. While Sam Altman was often given much of the credit and fanfare whenever OpenAI creates a great product, but Sutskever and his team of developers were the ones actually building the intelligence. He continued to lead the development efforts at OpenAI by recruiting the best AI researchers until the groundbreaking release of ChatGPT. Following the release and breakthrough of GPT 3.5, concerns arose regarding the potential emergence of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and its associated threats. It's not that AGI is going to actively hate humans and want to harm them, but it is going to be too powerful, and a good analogy of AGI treating human beings could be the way humans treat animals. It's not that human beings hate animals. I think humans love animals, but when a time comes to build a highway between two cities, we are not asking the animals for permission, and we just build it because it's important for us. Ilya's thoughts on AI threat are more well structured than others, as he has always foreseen its emergence, and that's the exact thing why he and Sam Altman had differing opinions about how OpenAI should balance growth while ensuring AI stays safe for humanity. While Altman wanted the company to make quick progress in its models, Sutskever believed that adequate safety guidelines should be a key priority so that AI does not become a risk to humanity. On November 17, 2023, OpenAI board of directors removed Sam Altman as OpenAI CEO, and Sutskever was the one among those who backed Sam Altman's sacking. This mistake quickly turned into a tornado of controversy and chaos, as most OpenAI employees threatened to quit if Altman wasn't reinstated, and in just a few days, Altman was brought back as CEO and Sutskever apologized for participating in the board's action to remove him. After that, Ilya largely disappeared from public view, sparking speculation about his continued role at the company. And on May 14, 2024, Ilya Sutskever announced that he was leaving OpenAI. While no one knows the exact reasons why he left the company, it seems likely that it has something to do with Altman's sacking last year. With Sam Altman returning back even more powerful than before, it's not all that surprising that Sutskever would move on, despite his immense importance in the firm. He was actively working on Super Alignment AI system at OpenAI, which focused on developing methods to control super intelligent AI systems and ensuring their alignment with human values and safety and surpass human intelligence in all domains. During his tenure at Google Brain, he developed an algorithm that revolutionized image recognition and propelled Google Brain to the forefront of AI research. After leaving Google, Sutskever co-founded OpenAI, where he continued to push the boundaries of AI innovation, and the creation of revolutionary ChatGPT proved the extreme potential of natural language processing, bringing OpenAI in the top of AI revolution. Now, after leaving OpenAI, the tech world ultimately awaits what could be his next revolutionary move yet. He might be working for one of the top giants in artificial intelligence, or he might be working on his own project, but whatever path he chooses, there is no doubt that Sutskever's next research journey will again leave a revolutionary mark on the field of artificial intelligence.